The Reno Ace is Oppo's latest flagship smartphone, and I think it is one of the world's fastest charging smartphone where you can get 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes.
Say what?
But if you are a huge fan of Gundam and love to collect all of their merchandise, the Oppo Reno Ace Gundam Limited Edition might just be the device for you. I mean, even though I'm not a fan, I'm super excited for this smartphone. Well, without further ado, let's check out what's inside the box. But before we go into detail, let us unbox this phone. There were only 30,000 units of these limited edition smartphones, and I'm excited to be one of them and share with you guys what is this smartphone all about. Once you have opened the box, you will see a smaller packet with a 40th anniversary Gundam badge at the bottom. Inside, you will get your usual manuals and quick start guides, but I doubt that anyone will read it. Underneath the box, you will find the smartphone itself, and if you are a fan of Gundam, which I am not, you will notice that the Oppo Reno Ace is based on the OG RX 78-2, and the detail on this smartphone is amazing. Under the phone, you will get a case which is based on the shield of the RX 78-2, and it is meant to protect your phone from damage. Then you will get a USB-C cable that has the same Gundam color scheme, and also the Super VOOC charging brick that supports 65 watt, which is also one of the world's fastest smartphone charging technology. And there we have it. This is the Oppo Reno Ace Gundam Edition, and I think it looks pretty cool. It has all the colors that you would expect from the RX 782. There is blue, there is red, there is white, and of course, there is gold that surrounds the camera module. There is also a gold icon of the RX 78-2 that sits right at the bottom of the smartphone. And when it comes to the software side of things, it has a dedicated Gundam themed icons and wallpaper, but to me it looks a little bit cartoony. Oppo has also equipped the best specs that you will find on the flagship smartphone. There's a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, and it also has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. But can we expand it further? Let's find out. Okay, unfortunately you cannot expand it with a micro SD card because you can only add 2 nano SIMs on this smartphone. There is also a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and it has a 90Hz refresh rate, so that means you have buttery smooth experience when you're using the smartphone. And at the back, there is also a quad camera setup, which consists of a 48MP main camera, a 30MP telephoto lens, an 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, and also a dedicated black and white camera, which is monochrome. And even though this is one of Oppo's latest flagship smartphone, you will also find a 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom. Kampudao. Let me do it one more time. And even though this is one of Oppo's latest flagship smartphone, there is also a 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom of the smartphone, which is rare on high-end smartphone these days. And powering this device is a 4000 mAh battery that charges via a USB-C cable. And the best part is, this smartphone is equipped with a 65 watt Super VOOC flash charge via USB-C, so that means you can get 0 to 100% in only 30 minutes. And in China, this smartphone is priced at 3,599 renminbi, which is around 2,125 ringgit if you convert it. So that's about it. That's my unboxing for the Oppo Reno Ace Gundam Edition. Tell me what you guys think. Do you like this smartphone? And if you're a Gundam fan, will you purchase this smartphone? Let me know in the comments below. And as usual, like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you receive notifications from our future videos. And remember to watch 2 of our videos, one right over here, and another video right over here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!